Assalamu alaikum, my dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, and my respectable judges. At first, take my cordial love. I am Himu, and today I talk about technology. What is technology? Technology means those kind of equipments that makes human life much more easier, comfortable, and productive. Okay. Today I talk about three types of technology. First of all, information technology. What is information? If I ask you a question, what is your name? Where are you from? Your answer will be like that I am Himu and I am from Borishal. This is your information. Am I right? I think am I. In this case, if any company start their marketing project and they want to get those information from their customers, like their phone number, their address, their ages, something like that. How they can get their information? They can do on things that they can go door to door and collect their data. Is it possible? Is it quite handy and time hunting project? In this case, you can do on things. You can do social media marketing. It's quite easy and convenient way to collect their customers' information. This is the power of technology. If I talk about the education, our education system completely changed by technology. How is it possible? When we start any topic, any lesson, I just go YouTube or internet, go Google and search in this topic and educated myself. I mentioned on things. My mom and dad often told me that when they took education, they walk 4 or 5 kilometers per day for reaching their school. Is it possible? Is it very much difficult? But currently, we can educate ourselves in a room, inside a room. Am I right? So is it possible? Because we have technology. If I talk about the communication system, our communication system made our world like a village, like a smart village. We are all together. I mentioned on things. My father was in Malaysia long time ago, and when we wanted to connect my father, we just wrote a letter and sent it to him. And it's quite difficult to get in touch with him. It's take a long time, like 20 or 30 days. But currently, if I want to contact my family, I just take my phone and leave a message. It's quite easy. Now, I talk about the advantage of technology. That technology has so many advantages. It's firstly, it saves our time, it's increase our productivity. And if I tell you that technology increase our job sector, yeah, I totally appreciate with you that technology reduce the human needs. But if you have that sort of knowledge that how to use technology, then you can start your job. Like our brother, he know how to operate a camera, but then he get a job. In this case, technology has some disadvantages. Like many people, when I went my home, then I saw that some students, some people, they're just sitting anywhere and playing video games. They're wasting their times. They damage their mental health. It's quite very bad things. In this scenario, we know about cybercrime. If you public your information or your secure data in social media, then you can be hacked. So keep safe. If we talk about the future technology, the future is AI, artificial intelligence. It's control our whole world in future. And if I talk about robotics, we can't take a heavy metal in our hand, but robotics can. We can fix the nanoparticles element by our hand, but robotic hands can. We know about a smart home concept. Currently, we don't need to turn off any switch. Just we have a voice assistant. Just we can say the turn off the light. Voice assistant can do. Okay. In conclusion, technology has advantage and disadvantage also. In this scenario, we just keep ourselves safe and go with the technology. Remember on things that time changes everything. So we need to be on the time. Thank you everyone for listening.